Hi, I'm Tara from Lake Villa District Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of our mini Make It To Go projects, the gift card gift envelope holder made out of a toilet paper roll. If you've picked up a project kit from the library, you'll have everything you need to make 2 envelopes. A supply list is also provided on the library's website, and the link is in the description below. You'll need the following: an empty toilet paper tube, a 6-inch strip of paper, a 6-inch decorative ribbon, glue dots, and some sort of an embellishment. That's optional, but we're providing you with at least one. So you will begin by flattening your tube, increasing it a bit on the sides, and kind of pop it back, just gently press it a little bit on the crease, and it's easier to set it on the table. You're going to fold in one side, and then you're going to fold the other side over it, just like that. And you'll do the same on the other side, making sure that you fold down the same side on the bottom and the same sides on the top. Some cooperate better than others. Maybe it depends on the brand that you buy. I don't know. But then you get a nice little pillow shape here. Then you will take your strip of paper and your glue dot, and it works best if you take off the top and then bring your glue dot to the paper and peel it away. And wrap it around the cardboard tube, like so, and secure it. And do the same with your ribbon. Sometimes it's hard to see the glue dots. And sometimes they don't stick well to the fabric ribbons at first, but there, we got it. And again, wrap it around and secure it in back. Now it looks really pretty just like that, but if you'd like, you can also add one of the embellishments that we provided, and you're good to go. You can fill it with candy, a little trinket, a treat, a note, a gift card, anything that you like, and you have a cute little gift holder. So these can be used any time of the year. They're easy to make, a good way to recycle your toilet paper tubes, nicer than a plain envelope. Use them for Valentine's treats, birthdays, or give one to your favorite librarian on Library Lovers Day, which is February 14th. We'd love for you to share pictures of your completed project. Just send me an email at tcaldara@lvdl.org. Join us in December, and we're going to make these really cute little stocking hat ornaments. And again, we will have project kits with all the supplies that you will need. So please join us and enjoy making your craft. Thank you.